Okay, guys, we've talked a lot together. We'll talk about PS, we'll talk about what is Forex, and we'll talk about low size, we'll talk about spread. So today we'll be talking about this balance, equity, margin, and margin level percentage. In your phone, need to be showing margin level percentage, yeah? And in your phone, need to be showing free margin in this place. So I'm going to explain this to you so you'll know what it is and what to watch out for. Now, this is your balance, your initial balance when you deposit in your Forex broker. This will be your initial balance. Then this equity you are seeing here, the equity will be your balance after you've placed a trade. So in the inequity will start telling you that, okay, this is the amount you're having in your balance after your trade has been placed. So your initial balance will still be where it is until you close a trade. Then what is in this inequity will be added to this place. Then this your balance will change to this inequity. Your balance here will change to the inequity. So this trade I've placed here now, I have $7,938 and there I mean, if I should close this trade, my equity is reading 1,118,298.75 in my equity. So if I should close this trade, what is left in this my equity will automatically be my balance. So my balance here will change to this equity. This will not be my new balance instead of this one. This will be my new balance. Then this margin level is the amount of trade you still have left to trade and to place based on your broker leverage. That is what this margin level and this free margin level really means. You don't really need to spend your time on this too. What you should actually watch out for is this level. Yeah, that's the main thing you should watch out for. This level, this equity, and that just this level and equity. The rest you don't actually need them. The margin level and this margin, free margin, is just your magic call. Maybe when you make loss, maybe you're having too much of loss, then this free margin just activates a magic call, which by it will automatically close some of your trade that has passed some percentage level and bring, sometimes even close all your trade and show you what is left in your account balance. It may be out of this 119 now. If this margin level is at loss now and everything closes with this kind of loss size I took, I'll be having about 98 naira or 100 naira in my balance. That's what this margin level do. Instead of you having 0 in your balance, it will automatically close the trade. And what you use to buy that trade, the amount you use, like the money you took from you to buy that trade, it's what is going to be left. Yeah, there's nothing much for me to explain there, Sha. If you have any question on this margin level and this margin and free margin, then you can just use the comment question. I'll explain that. Let me move straight to what I really want to talk about today. Now I'm talking about this margin level percentage. Now if you can look at my margin level percentage now, I'm having a rate of 199.59%, which is okay. Based on the amount of trade I've placed, which is okay. Now if my margin level is below 100, it means that your balance is at risk. It means that your balance is at risk. Now if it is not below 50, anything that make it get below 50, every trade that has high losses, maybe the trade that have higher loss, will automatically start shutting down by themselves. It will automatically start closing it for you. Maybe for example now this 24,346 naira you are seeing here now. If it is at loss, if it is showing minus here, and my margin, this margin level here is at maybe minus, it won't show minus, so maybe at 50% level, this one that is the highest here will automatically shut down. It will automatically close, leaving the rest. Then if the rest increases again, maybe this percentage has now dropped to 20, the second highest to after the first one, which is this one here, will automatically shut down also. Same thing till you are left with nothing or something in your balance, depending on your broker. Your broker will determine what will happen to your margin level if all your balance has been wiped out. Maybe it will restore 100 naira for you or 50 naira for you. In dollar, it can restore maybe $1 for you or $2 for you, depending on the broker. So this margin, my margin level here now is at 250.90%, which is far okay. I'm very okay and pleased with it because I'm not on loss. I'm on profit. The more my profit is increasing, the more my margin level will be increasing. My margin level will be increasing as my profit is increasing. As my profit is reducing, my margin level will be reducing also. If my margin level reduces to a certain point, I'll lose all my funds. So that is why we have stop loss. So I'll be explaining stop loss, buy limit, and others in the next class. So see you guys in the next class. I hope you understand what I mean by margin level percentage and your equity. Bye for now.